So this was the first one that I made a couple years ago, and I found that if you take a chapstick cap, the Juul, you just squeeze it a little bit, and the Juul fits right in there. So I figured I could poke something through there so I didn't have to like tape on the wires directly to the Juul to make it charge. You could reuse it. So this was the first one I made. Like, there's 4 wires you can see there. So I think it was like for a phone charger, I don't know. And then you can see the 2 little tack nails, and I just wrapped the wires around there. And I shoved them through 2 erasers in there. And I couldn't really get the spacing, getting the spacing right was kind of hard. So I was just shoving like little cardboard stuff in there. But it still didn't really work very well because it all moves in there. So I just made one. And for this one, I put an eraser in there horizontally and got the tip of the nails just to barely stick through. And before, I had to cut the nails. I cut the nails and kind of grinded the tips off of them, and that took forever, and the nails weren't exactly the same length, and they would pop out. So I tried to glue it on there, but then it just all sucked. So then for this one that I just made, yeah, the nails stick directly through that eraser, and then the cap, and then through that eraser. So you can trim these so that it fits perfectly. And yeah, I should probably put something over this so it doesn't short out or anything. But yeah, I'll show you how to do this.
Ain't no telling what I'm finna be on. Hey, I'm beyond all that fuck shit.
Hey lil' mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine. Ice on my neck cost me 10 times 3. $30,000 for a nigga to get free. I just hit Rodeo and I spent like 10 G's. I just did a show and spent the check on my mama. When I go and vacay, I might run out the Bahamas. And I keep like 10 phones, damn, I'm really never home. All these niggas clones tryna copy what I'm on. Nigga, get your own, tryna pick a nigga bone. Wait till brother Skip, boy, I had a good day. Metro PCS, trapping bone, making plays. 50 shades of gray, beat that pussy like Hulk Hogan. I know you know my slogan, if it ain't about guap, I'm gone. Niggas hating cause I'm chosen from the concrete I had rolled. Shorty staring at my necklace cause my diamonds really froze. Put that dick up in her pussy, bet she feel it in her toes. I'm a real young nigga from the 6 throwing balls. I'm a real young nigga from the 6 throwing balls. Real young nigga from the 6 throwing balls.
In the middle of the party, bitch, get off me. Goddamn. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli. Goddamn. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me. Goddamn. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli. Goddamn. Whispered in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Goddamn. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Goddamn. Say that I can hit that shit so greasily. Goddamn. I'm a dirty dog, I did it sleazily. Hey, no telling what I'm finna be on. Hey, I'm beyond all that fuck shit. Hey, no telling what I'm finna, be on. Said I'm beyond all that fuck shit. I got companies in pesos, I got people on my payroll. She don't do it unless I say so. I don't smoke if it ain't fuego. I should sauce them up like Prego, fettuccine with Alfredo. All I wanted was the fame in every game they made on Sega. I was 5 or 6 years old when I had told myself, okay, you're special, but I treat you like my equal, never lesser. I was 26 years old when we had dropped this one amazing record. Had the world stepping, that's what I call epic. Couple summers later, I got paper. I acquired taste for salmon on a bagel with the capers on a square plate. At the restaurant with the why you gotta stare face to know I either ball floor, I record over the stand bass. Rapper face dread, had it golden diamond teeth wearing. They just mad cause I got that cheese, bitch, I keep daring. Turned up at the party, getting lit to yachty. With a Spanish Barbie, word to my mommy. In the middle of the party, bitch, get off me. In the cut, I'm rolling up my broccoli. Yeah, I know your baby mama fond of me. All she wanna do is smoke that broccoli. Whispered in my ear, she tryna leave with me. Say that I can get that pussy easily. Say that I can hit that shit so greasily. I'm a dirty dog, I did it sleazily.